Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all some updates that I've made to my assisted living business plan template for 2024 using AI. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give y'all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, we'll go ahead and review some of the changes that I've made to the assisted living business plan template. All right, so hopefully this information is going to be helpful. And without further ado, let's go ahead and zip this through this little presentation. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate. I am also a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials, and tribulations of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to write the business plan for you. I'm also a business mentor as well as business consultant. So if you need some assistance in understanding your financials, creating financial models, creating or executing your strategic plans, again, just pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to assist in those areas as well. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor as well as subject matter expert for both business and finance. So if your business plan is good to go, however, those financial projections are just locking you up and you just can't get over that hill, again, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to assist on that area as well. All right, enough with this. Let's go ahead and zip through the little presentation. The first update that I made to my assisted living business plan template is I went ahead and added a placeholder for the logo for your company. And so what I did is I went to ChatGPT, asked it to generate just a generic logo for an assisted living business plan. And it gave me a few different options. This one right here I like the most, and so this is the one I chose for the placeholder. And so the way the structure looks now is up top it says assisted living. Then we've got the placeholder for your logo. And then underneath is going to be business plan. And if and when you do purchase the template, what I would do is where it says assisted living, just go ahead and plug in your name, your company name. Underneath, go ahead and A, leave this logo right here, or B, go ahead and insert your individual company's logo. And then finally, where it says business plan, I just keep that where it is. It just sets the reader up to let them know what's contained in this document. So you're setting their expectations up front. The next item that I updated was my services description. As we know, for the assisted living facilities, there are three pillars of services that are typical for an assisted living facility company. That's going to be your housing, your meals and medication, and amenities and activities. So I had previously, I had written up each one of these sections, again, just a generic information for you all to go ahead and update and put in y'all's own information. But what I did is I put that information again into ChatGPT, asked it to improve readability and rewrite it. And the results, again, I like the results, and so I kept that information. So now what we have here in the template is the services section updated using artificial intelligence. All right, the final update that I made was for the industry research. As we all know, having up-to-date industry research is just a critical component for your business plan, for any business plan. But so what I did was I went to my not my Chat GPT, my IBIS World, and I have a subscription with IBIS World. And what I did is I accessed the retirement communities in the U.S. report, extrapolated important information out of that report, and then updated the business plan template accordingly for the assisted living facility industry. And so these are the results right here. This is just some of the results. Some of the updates that I made were to the revenues, historical growth, projected growth rate, profits, wages, and business number of businesses that are competing in the industry as well, based on the research from my BIS World. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.